Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how these websites generate online courses using the power of AI. Right now, I have 3 websites for you guys to work with. One is gonna be Courseau or Courseau. Please correct me if I'm wrong on pronunciation. Next up is gonna be this 2 website right here. So please stay in the video until you get all the websites. So before we get started, a little bit of a disclaimer regarding Courseau. This is a paid subscription website. There is technically no free trial. However, I really want you to get the idea on how to use this one because it's a pretty powerful device or pretty powerful website. So before we get started, I'm gonna check on the pricing with you guys. So click on New tab. And let's go to the pricing right now. So here is the plans. We have the basic for $99 per month. Enterprise is $299 per month, and the hosting is $19. Basically, hosting is just downgrading from your current plan. So technically rather, you only have 2 choices for basic and enterprise. Also, regarding the free trial, there is an option, even though I said earlier there is not an option. So the thing here is, there is no direct free trial purpose or process. That's why I said earlier there is no free trial. Because you need to request access and it's not guaranteed that they will give it to you. And right until now, they haven't given me a free trial access just yet because there is supposed to be a company name and they will background check that. Anyway, this video mainly suggests that how to use Courseau and then just check if you really want it. Pay the subscription plan to fully utilize the website. So let's go back to the landing page. So again, once you're ready, click on Get Started. Just use your dummy Google account or your main Google account. It's going to be by your own preference, and this is how it should look like. This is going to be the main library page of Courseau or Courseau. As you can see, I don't have anything created just yet because I don't have credits. As you can see right here, no credits remaining. That being said, simply click on Create. So the thing I love about Courseau is this option right here. The very first one, detect automatically. Because we don't have any idea what kind of language or which part of the world our audience may be. So if you choose specific language, for example English or Avaric or even Breton, there will be problems in communication or understanding. So this Courseau or Courseau AI has an option to detect automatically. So whichever or wherever in the world your audience may be watching or using this course, they can fully utilize it. And that is a pretty good option for you because they keep using your course, there will be traffic, and of course if there's traffic, there will be ads. If there's ads, there will be financial income, right? Anyway, that being said, moving on for the learning outcomes of course topics. So what should your audience learn from your course? Basically for this one, I'm gonna use this title, How to Recover an Excel File. Just type in a title and you'll be good to go. You can add an outcome, for example, another title for you guys, but for now, I'm satisfied with just one. And this is the idea of learning outcomes you can use to help structure and add focus to the course. If nothing is added, take note, Courseau or Courseau will refer key topics and offer general lessons, a great solution for more shallow overview style courses. And that is the second thing that I like about Courseau or this website. If you did not type in a title, it will automatically give a general knowledge of the most important topics as of now. And then that being said, let's move on. For the learning profile, so describe your target student. For this one, I'm going to type in non-tech savvy people. So AI can have an idea who they are talking with or who they are teaching. So it has a description for the learner profile. For now, I'm going to click on Next. And for this one, you can also use this as a reference for ad sources. These are the file types that are supported. You have documents, you have video, of course, you have audio. For this one, I'm gonna choose a YouTube video. Let me just go to it right now. So right now, I have just pasted my YouTube video right there. It is one of my videos on my channel regarding how to recover a deleted Excel file, so check it out if you may. So with that being said, I'm gonna click on Next right now. And then I'm gonna have a choice of Introduction, Foundational, Intermediate, Advanced, Comprehensive, and Extensive. I suggest if you have credits, go for advanced. Since this is a pretty thoroughly course, take note if you only have introduction of 5 to 8 lessons, even though they're short, they're not that comprehensive or accurate, or rather specifics. The longer the course, the specific the lesson is, the shorter, the more general it is. Those are the two pros and cons. So this is gonna be the output where you can generate your outline. However, since I don't have a credit just yet, I cannot proceed on this one. You can also edit it manually if you like, but for now, since we're mainly highlighting the power of AI, please choose this one. Once you click on outline, you're done with it. The website is yours. So if you see it right here, I can generate lessons, but I cannot generate without an outline. So with that being said, if I have a credit, I can proceed as it is. And that is it. This is the limit we have since we don't have a credit. So I suggest this is basically how you use Courseau. That's how easy it is. And then if you like it, use the paid subscription and use the tips and tricks I taught you. Let's move on with the next website. So for the next website, it's going to be called Running Studio AI. Basically for this one, you can just type in your title. Let me just try it with this one. I'm going to type in how to use Excel. Oh, this is pretty general. Let me just use how to write a blog. Simply click on create course. And right now, it will take roughly 10 to 30 seconds on loading time because this is not yet the final output. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to you once it's here. Welcome back to the video, and basically here we have it. This is right now our course. If you scroll down a little bit, we have our overview. These are the sections. We have introduction, planning, crafting, practice, warm-up, and quiz. That is pretty awesome. So introduction to blogging, here it is. The planning, there we have it. The crafting, the practice, the warm-up, and of course the quiz. So take note, I did not write a single word here. Everything here is from AI, or rather the only thing I write here is the idea, how to write a blog. Other than that, everything here is from AI. Now, you can edit each one of them by simply click on the pencil icon right there, and you have enabled edit mode. So for example, you want this on overview sample 1, you can do so. As you can see, there is no save button. It is automatically save on each thing you move here or edit. So for example, I want to edit this one. Let me just type in overview sample 1, 2, 3. And right now, it's currently being saved with no problem at all. So for example, let me just dive in here. I want to change this one right there. I can put it italic. I can hyperlink some things there. For example, I'm going to type in, let me just for example type in a YouTube video, like so. Click on enter, and there we have it. We have just hyperlinked a YouTube video on that title. So when audiences click on this one, they'll be redirected on our YouTube video to create traffic, of course. So for example, next up is using the AI power on this one. Although currently right now we have displayed how powerful the AI on this website. So I have another example here. For example, this one right here. And then you see that sparkle icon. If you click on it, you have an option to expand the text, summarize the text, or rewrite the text. But make sure it is being enabled, like so. So I'm gonna summarize the text right now. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here we have it. Everything here is summarized and a little bit more precise. So you can rewrite it, expand it as you see fit. Also, if you're satisfied with your course, you can simply click on share, copy the link, and then send it to your friends, your students, or even your family to check it. You can send it to email, embed it. It's gonna be by your own preference. Of course, there is also an option to download it, like so. So it will be directly on your computer. Basically with this one, we're done here. If you click on preview, we're gonna go back from earlier, and this is gonna be your course now. So take note, this website has a free trial of 3 usage per account. So right now, I think this is my second one. And with that being said, let's move on with the next website. So the next website will be called Mini Course Generator. By the title itself, it's gonna be a course generator. So simply click on try for free, and then use your Google account to proceed. And this is how it should look like. So this is how it should look like after clicking the get started. So click on let's check, skip it, and then start creating courses right there. So basically this is how it should look like inside. By the way, before we get started, you only have 40 credits left. And by experience, 40 credit is only one website, or rather one course. There is a renewal date, I think this is per month. So for the free trial, anyway, with this one, select a language. This is the difference regarding the course AU and this website. Anyway, let's fill up the things here. So I'm gonna put in teacher. Target audience, I'm gonna type in NAN, tech, savvy, audiences, like so. And then description. So let me just type in my title here. How to write a blog. With that being said, I want to take note that the key to successful AI guidance is precise and detailed description. I always say this. So AI is just doing half of the job, so the thing we can do most is help it understand what we want. So with that being said, I'm going to select a title right now. Give me a second here. So after generating title, we have choices for 5, I think. You can generate again if you don't like these choices. Anyway, I think I'm choosing that one. You can write your own title, by the way. However, I'm gonna generate outline right now, and this will take a minute or two. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. We have this outline right now, and I want to highlight before I get started on this one is that you see the 6 dots, or rather 6 circles before the titles. There are some that are indented a little bit more to the right, and there are some a little bit more to the left. So the ones indented on this section, for example, the introduction to blogging, these are what we call main header. And then the one underneath them is the sub header. So if you move the sub header on one of each, you can move them as you see fit. Anywhere you place this one is good to go. However, if you move the main header, you'll be moving the whole box itself. So those are the two differences of the two circles. If you're not satisfied with this one, of course, you can generate again. You can edit the title. For example, this one, I'm going to type in and practices. Perfect. You can delete one. For example, this one, I don't like it. I've just deleted it. Anyway, on the lower part, make sure you click on this one, okay? So AI generated images is pretty helpful because these are visual helpers regarding your blogs or regarding your course. So only 2 images will be added because this is a free trial. So generate mini course right now. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is the website or the course we have. If you want to click on it, of course, click on edit, like so, to open the course itself. So here we have it. You can edit everything here. For example, you can edit the title. You can change the subtitles up there. You can also hyperlink stuff. You can add an image. You can edit the cover photo like so. For example, delete that one. Upload the cover photo. So with this one, I have successfully edited the cover photo. You can also edit the title there. Sorry about that. I think I clicked the wrong thing. Let me just remove it one more time. Upload that photo. I'm going to choose a different one right now, just for the sake of discussion, and wait for it to upload. That being said, you can edit here anything from photos to titles and so on and so forth. So that being said, click on save and have successfully edited the cover photo. So you can add a card and then change the organization or number or numerical position on that one. Also, you can add a PDF on that option. You can delete a card with that option right there, but I'm not going to delete it after. So also just want to highlight that this website is mainly creating courses via info cards. So when I say info cards, this is how it should look like. Let me just click on view right now. So if I click on start the course right there, I'll be directed on this website, and basically you can click on continue, and that's it. It's gonna be by cards, and then if you want to edit the color, of course, it's gonna be pretty stale if it's only white. Go back to the editing platform, choose the theme. You have a lot of themes to work with. So right now I have on default. You can preview the themes before applying. I think I'm gonna go, for this video, I'm gonna go with this one, landscape. And then that being said, apply your theme. And then let's check the preview. So there we have it. We have applied the theme a little bit more enticing and interesting to read. So click on the next arrow right there, and basically, we have created our course. So you can just share the link to your friends, send it to your email, Facebook, what have you. And with that being said, that is the last website on how to create a course. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.